Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are making something a bit unique. My art students are currently learning about origami, and I recently taught them how to make origami cranes, and I thought maybe I should make an instructional video so they can watch step by step. So that's the first part of this video. The second part, we are going to take those cranes that we make and make a display out of them. A few years ago we started making 1,000 crane chandeliers in my art class, and after I build one I kind of give it to another teacher. Well, I kind of want the kids to be able to take them home, so we're gonna make a mini version, a 50 crane origami crane chandelier. Let's get to building. we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, fairly pleased with the way it turned out. I really like using traditional origami washi paper simply because it adds a pop of color. It has lots of textures, and then there's also a bunch of patterns on there that kind of make it unique and stand out. Notice I use the Much Props colors for my particular example. This part up here, the topper, you can make it out of pretty much anything. That's a very small version of the one I have in my room, which is about 5-foot wingspan and holds 1,000 cranes. So you can upscale this however you want, but your topper could be a simple circle cut out of cardboard. It could be I've used planter cages, I've used hula hoops, I've used sewing hoops. I've used a bunch of different things to hang them from. So be creative with it and come up with your own idea as to how to hang them off of the ceiling, I guess. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your super cool 50 crane origami chandelier skills. So much so that they want one for their very own. Yeah, it's a pretty specific set of skills. Whatever. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I don't really have anything to hit you with, I guess, so I mean, there's this guy, so.